arena in San Juan is where we're at. Well, in Volleyball Central, and they're getting a real treat. As I say, it's worth the price of admission. This match that it's not short on action, drama, and suspense. Kompleto.
Kompleto. And it's a volleyball game.
Volleyball game. Season 75 of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Ella De Jesus, mula nung ipinasok ni Coach Roger, ibinabad na rin siya. Santiago, a push. And right now, all the confidence and momentum is on the Lady Eagles side, who are trying to tie this game.
And Will Kaikle taking that early Christmas present from the Lady Bulldogs.
By the way, I just remembered, didn't Jem Ferrer just celebrate a birthday? Yes, she did, the other day. She just celebrated a birthday.
Happy birthday.
17-5, let's listen in.
To whom it may concern? Tapos na ba? Hindi pa. Kung ako nga, hindi ako nag-give up eh. Umuupo lang ako dahil nagpapahinga lang ako. Ang pagod ako kakatayo.
Awa, cheer up.
Diyos ko, Mario Joseph naman, oh. Hindi ba tapos yan? 17-5, Jose. Pinananalo pa sa 17? Binibitawan nyo na. Eh, 1 to 25 yan. Okay na kayo. National.
Napaupo na si Coach Francis Vicente, no?
Napapagod lang daw naman siya. Hindi naman daw siya nag-give up.
Oo naman.
And tama naman siya. It takes 25 points to win a set.
And even if, let's say, and we've seen this, you know, Mosey and I have covered so many games together too. Even if, let's say, you will lose the set, you cannot not fight. Kasi dadalin mo dun sa next set yun eh.
That is right. And once again, dun na naman, test of character na naman yung fifth set. Diba? So,
you can't say, okay, pamigay na natin to, then let's switch it on in the fifth set. It can't be like that.
Most of the time, you carry the momentum of the fourth set going into the fifth
Whether it's
set.
a loss or a win.
So, again, mental game on the fifth set. But Ateneo has to win this fourth set to be able to stretch it to a final set. But it's a mountain to climb for the Lady Bulldogs.
Yeah,
10 points.
Yep, the only advantage really of Ateneo right now is that this group has played together for so long. And, you know, if you talk about facing problems and challenges, and they've been there, they've done it.
That's
so
right.
let's see how they're responding. That's the thing, no?
That is what is working for Ateneo.
Correct.
Because if you see NU, you can see that it's individual talents that carry them every game.
Kanina,
magaling si Urdas, magaling si
Pablo.
Nitin, magaling si Pablo.
Okay.
But yung advantage naman na Ateneo, they have been playing for quite a long time.
This group, yes.
Yes. And, you know, they will make ways. Ang dami ng adversities na na-encounter nila along the way in the 5 years.
Well, look at the strength of that attack by Zia Hervasio. Unable to handle it was NU. So we did say if Ateneo is going to win, they'll have to do it the hard way, and that's what they're doing, you know. Carving it themselves from out of a hole. While now it's a test really now. Kanina, the test is on Ateneo. The test and the jury is out on National University right now, who had a 2 sets to love lead and momentum and confidence on their side. Can they regain it in time? That is the question.
And Gretchen Ho from the middle. It wasn't even a powerful hit. It was some kind of a push coming from Gretchen, but in the best place possible. So Jen Reyes was trying to go for that defense, pero lampas kay Jen eh.
Sent back. National U with the attack. Ordaz puts it away. Layo pa to. 9 will be serving 19.
Magkahiwalay kasi yung blockers ng Ateneo. And of course, Ketchem pinadaan. But again, Ateneo, still a 10-point lead for them.
Lazaro with the setup. Kainglet.
1 foot setup coming from Jem.
Pablo again. Still very high percentage for her. Tapang, ano? Tapang nito si Pablo.
Yan ang mga gusto mo players. And,
Sarap panoorin, no?
well, in fact, dun sa other side, itong kay Coach Roger during that third set, na alam niya kailangan niya yung set, sino sinendin niya? Si Ella De Jesus. Because you want players that will fight. Diba?
A good point. But Francis will not acknowledge that service error. 20 serving 10. Gretchen Ho on deck. To the applause of the Ateneo fans here. Grooming ourselves for a fifth setter. Alam mo na, pag-usapan namin ni Noreen kahapon. Nung Wednesday. After nung 5 sets, opening weekend. 3 sets, 1 4-setter. Matagal tayo walang 5th set.
So, hiniling nyo.
And
You
hindi na
asked for
Wednesday.
it.
But we did look at the schedule, Mosey.
When
you saw.
tayo rin yan.
Diba? NU Ateneo.
True.
Pagkakadikdikan yan. Oh! What a find!
Jem Peler.
That deserves a second look.
For the first time in this game.
On one leg, finds an open spot at the corner.
Perfect timing for Jem.
At yun ang sinasabi mo, Mosey, na yung
Mas malaking porsyento utak ang ginagamit.
At gulang, ano? Gulang eh. 22-11. Ateneo has crawled back from the grave and are 3 points away from forcing a fifth and deciding set.
Look how Jem Peler fooled the blockers of NU. Tatlo ang kumagat dun sa middle, so no blocker in the end for Ateneo.
On the second touch, Liza Valdez. Reyes has played so well for NU today. Set back by Kai Nepomuceno and Dadang to delay Ateneo's plans here in set number 4, and the service specialist Fatima General is sent back in for Desiree Dadang. You cannot let go of the set if for your NU.
Oh yes, and you got to get back to the team game that you played in the first and the second set. Yun na kailangan nilang balikan.
Even if it's towards the end of this set. Unfortunately, the service specialist is only human.
He has been there several times, many times.
And the story of the game so far is this girl. She came in the third set down 11-13. 13 was NU, 11 was Ateneo.
Kasi, a little clarification, wala si Coach Roger.
Hindi siya
Nag-break.
nag-walk out, ha?
Hindi siya.
Kala ko kung kailan mananalo sila ng set, nag-walk out. Ayun na, pabalik na. Ayan, pabalik. Yan, kinukunan na.
Yan.
Ay, may laro pala.
Ay, oo.
Hindi pa pala tapos.
Na-miss tuloy siya ni referee Lumer Pajarillo.
Hinanap yung
Parang
coach.
nawala.
Clarify nung kanilang kapitan na si Z. Hervasio. And just like that, Mosey, we are on the precipice of a fifth set. And Eliza Valdez serving. What?
Sabihin mo na, we expected this.
I guess.
We really expected the long one.
Okay, let's say we expected the 5 sets. We did not expect the turn of events and the drama and the twists of this game. As a net block is the point that gives Ateneo the 4th set win and sudden death.
Why not?
What an amazing comeback by Ateneo. The question we will pose again: can National University forget what has happened the last 2 sets, maintain their composure, refocus, and win a big one before they meet the LSU? We'll find out when we come back.